Hey guys, Maddie from Built right here, and today we're going to be installing bedside rack panels on our 2021 F-150. For this install guide, I'll be installing a 102004. That'll be the passenger side rear panel in the Ford F-150. I'll be doing so with our Built Ford F-150 box link hardware kit because our F-150 didn't come with the box link plates or the hardware. The hardware kit is part number 104105. And it'll come with 16 screws so you can cover all four corners of your F-150. So in our hardware kit, we're gonna get 4 separate little baggies, each having 4 screws and a T30 TORX bit. So for this install, you're gonna need a T30 TORX bit, and I will be using a Milwaukee fuel impact driver. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the box open for our 102004. So we have one panel along with our bumper and push rivet to spring the panel up against the bedside. Before we go and throw our panel on our bedside, we're going to go ahead and throw a small pack out mount on the panel right here. Now that we have the pack out brackets mounted up on the panel, we're going to go ahead and jump into the bed and mount the panel up to the bedside. So to begin installing the rear panels, you're going to remove the rear tie down point by taking out the 2 bolts that are holding it in. If your truck didn't come with the standard Ford F-150 box link plates, and you have 4 non-threaded holes in your bedside, you're going to go ahead and use our thread forming screws to create the threads. You'll use the box link install guide linked down in the description to do so. So we have our holes threaded, and I'm going to go ahead and install the 4 center bolts loosely in the bedside. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the tie down point over the bedside rack. And we can tighten these down all the way. So at this point we can go ahead and fully install the 4 bolts that are in the bedside. And now we're ready to spring the panel off the bedside using our rubber bumper and tree clip. So now that we have our passenger rear panel installed, we're going to go ahead and install the other 3 panels. The other rear panel will be identical to this, and then the 2 front panels will only be using these 4 screws. She ain't going anywhere. And with that, your 4 bedside rack panels are installed in your Ford F-150. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, hit us up on social media via email or by phone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Hi, I'm Maddie. Hi, 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 hi.
Nice. There you go.
Today we're going to be installing bedside racks on our...
It was so good.
Hey guys, Maddie.
I did it. I did the install.
For this install, I'll be You want to delete? You can delete.
Don't worry, it's been deleted already. Okay, keep going.
So we're gonna jump in the bed and install the panel. Didn't like that. We're gonna jump in the bed and mount the panel up to the bedside.
And why do I feel like you didn't like that?
I didn't like that. Wait, so what did I just say? That was fucking genius. So if you're gonna be using and threading your own holes, didn't like that. It sounded weird.
Okay, go for it. He's like, what is it?
What am I saying?
Can I do it again? Let's do one more. You're like, we're doing one more.
I knew we were halfway through.
I like how we all know when we know. You know.